Hi, I am here in the Go Indie test kitchen and we are working with the Green Star Elite Juicer today. We're going to be making a recipe from the Living with Green Star cookbook, which is fantastic. We're making yummy in the tummy juice. That's carrots, parsley, celery, and apples. First thing we're going to do is put it together, which is super easy. The gears go on first and they go together so that the one single dot goes between the double dot. Put it onto the machine. Put on the gear housing. And then the screen, you select your screen. And this one, for this recipe, we're using the fine screen so it will get less pulp. And then casing, snap this closed. Put on the safety hood, and it's ready to go. Now it's time to make the juice. Turn on the Green Star and go for it. This is the plastic blender, which you can use and push down the fruit or the vegetable, and it won't go down to the gears. But then, if you want to get the very last bit of it, you can use the wooden one, and it can go all the way down, but won't hurt the gears. If you find that the juice is not ejecting, you might want to open up the juicer knob a couple turns, and that's good for soft fruits like apple. In goes the celery. The great thing about the Green Star is that greens go through, leafy greens go through, like it just sucks them right in. And with the 3-stage process, it crushes and cuts, mixes and presses, and makes delicious juice. It's done. Pour it into a cute little glass. It's so fresh and delicious and easy.
Hi, I'm Mary Rogers, Director of Marketing Communications for Cuisinart. This is the Cuisinart Smart Power Duet Blender Food Processor. This is a great product. You get 2 products in one. First, it's a 7-speed electronic blender. It has a 40-ounce glass carafe. The lid comes off really easy. You just pull it up and push it down. Also, this removes so that when you're blending, you can add extra ingredients. If you're going to be making something like a vinaigrette, while the blender is running, you can add your oil right through here, and it'll emulsify for you. Blenders are great to have because they perform so many different functions. Let me just put this back in here. This one has lots of great features. Like I said, it's 7 speeds. It has a stir function, a chop function, mix, puree, pulse, so it can pulse on any speed. It has also called out an ice crush feature and has on and off. The other thing that's great about this is that when you remove the blender, you can put on the food processor attachment. This is really great. You can use it to chop nuts. You can use it to do herbs. You can use it to make salsa. It's really, really useful. The other thing that's great is when you take the lid off and you remove the chopping blade, you can put the disc on with the stem adapter, and you can slice and shred right into your food processor. One side is for slicing and the other side is for shredding. It's really, really useful. It has a 500-watt motor, has on and off, and like I mentioned, it has a called out food processor function, so it runs at a specific speed just for food processing, because food processing is done at a much slower speed than blending. Food processing is done about 1700 RPMs, and when you're blending, this blender runs at about 17,000 RPMs. So it's actually designed to automatically step down to the right speed so you process your food perfectly. And there you have it, the Smart Power Blender by Cuisinart.
This is the all-new NutriBullet Juicer Pro. The Juicer Pro is a fast and convenient way to get essential nutrients your body needs from all kinds of fruits and vegetables. The 1000-watt motor and multiple speeds give you the power and control to juice soft, delicious strawberries, to tough, nutrient-rich beetroot. The 3-inch chute fits larger fruits, and the dual-sized pusher easily adjusts for smaller produce as well. The 2-liter basin and no-drip spout cover allows for greater quantities of juice without the mess. Plus, the 27-ounce pitcher makes for easy pouring and storing. You also get two 12-ounce on-the-go glass bottles and 2 freezer storage trays. It's easy to clean, dishwasher safe, and covered by a 1-year warranty. This is the all-new NutriBullet Juicer Pro.